to show you how to play Lay Down Beside Me by Don Williams. If you want the letter notes for that, you go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the introduction. In the left hand, you just play a G. We're in the key of G. And in the right hand, you're going to play D, G, and B, D, A, and C, D, B, and D, D, A, and C. Now, if you want to play with two hands, you can. I usually play with one hand here and two hands later on, but it'll sound like this. Then we go to the melody. Now the melody is just D, 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 E, D, D, C, B, D, 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 E, B, C, D, D, C, B, D, A, B, C, B, A, G, C, G, E, C, C, D. And in the chorus, D, D, B, 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 G, 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 F sharp, D, G, 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 D, D, G, F sharp, G, A, D, B, 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 A, G, 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 F sharp, E, D, G, G, F sharp, G, A, G. Then all we got to do is put the chords with it. Now you've got a G chord, and a C chord, and a D chord, back to a G chord. So you just have three chords, and I'll go slowly with it. So we end out of that. There you go to the C chord, C, E, G. So the G chord is G, B, D. C chord, D chord. Now the way I'm going to arpeggiate that is G and then the B and the D, C and then the E and the G, D and then the F sharp and the A, G and the B and the D. Pretty much standard throughout. Now here we'll hit a D, G, B as a little interlude there, a little space filler for the piano. Doesn't change chords, it just switches the D down to the bottom. So that B, C comes ahead of the D. Then you go up the... You got a guitar there in his song coming in, but it's just a B, A, G, and I'll accompany it in the left hand with a G, A, B. So... And then the melody kicks in with D, A, D, A, B, C. And the D in the left hand comes with the A. Then with the C, just hit that chord again. C chord, so the C is ahead of it. G is ahead of it. Two C's. This F sharp is going to come right with that seventh, the D, F sharp, A, C, so it's a D7. So lay down, so the D is a little anticipation there. That's just straight in the left hand. G, A, B, D, F sharp, A, D, E, F sharp, back down to the G. Now on the right hand, you're going to have... So what we've got there is we got a 10th, 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 10th. It's the equivalent of a third with an octave between them. So the left hand is going D, E, F sharp, right hand is going F sharp, G, A, and together they'll sound like... if you want to hold that through, you can. Then the second verse, you just pretty much repeat the same thing. There you have it. So the chord, the tag there is just like the intro, but use two hands because you're going to come with an arpeggio. The arpeggio is going to be G, D, G, B, D, G, B, D, G. So let's start just before the ending there and go into the tag. Sustain the chord a little bit, let it off. There you have it, Lay Down Beside Me by Don Williams. Hope you enjoy playing it.